Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to buy crypto in Trust Wallet with USD. First, open your Trust Wallet application on your mobile device. It's crucial to ensure you have Tether or USD already present in your wallet before proceeding. Once confirmed, locate and tap on the Browser or D-App section, typically found at the bottom of your screen. This will open up the decentralized application browser, allowing you to interact with various platforms. Next, you'll need to select a reliable decentralized exchange, often called a DEX. Popular choices include PancakeSwap for Binance Smart Chain or Uniswap for the Ethereum network. Once you've chosen, connect your Trust Wallet to the exchange. This usually involves a simple tap to confirm the connection. Always double-check that you are on the correct blockchain network, whether it's Binance Smart Chain, Ethereum, or another, to avoid any issues. Now it's time to initiate the swap. On the exchange interface, select USD as the currency you are swapping from, and then choose your desired cryptocurrency as the currency. Carefully enter the exact amount of USD you wish to exchange. Before confirming, take a moment to thoroughly review all the transaction details. Pay close attention to the estimated amount of new crypto you will receive and any associated network fees, which are typically very small. Finally, confirm the transaction within your Trust Wallet. This step authorizes the decentralized exchange to perform the swap using your funds. After confirmation, you'll need to wait a few moments for the blockchain network to process and complete the transaction. The exact time can vary, but it's usually quite fast. Once completed, your newly acquired cryptocurrency will automatically appear in your Trust Wallet, ready for you to use or hold.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.